On December 27th, I woke up, then grabbed my phone. And at this exact moment, I got this message. I obviously answered. And this is when things got a bit tricky. I had a lot of things planned for this day. I could have said no, but sometimes you have to think less and say yes. We headed toward the south of Belgium. This is a place where there is not a lot of population and where the landscapes are beautiful. We parked the car and started to hike. As soon as we left the little village, I felt welcomed by the nature. Everything was frozen, which gave the impression there was some snow, even though there wasn't. And that created a pretty magical atmosphere. The temperature was really cold, but the sun peeking through the trees was keeping us warm. Walking in this peaceful environment just simply felt great. We talk, we laugh, we observe the beauty of the nature and capture it with our cameras. We did not forget to eat though. There is nothing like breathing some pure air. We really had a lot of fun that day. I love hiking, and doing it with people I like is even better. Sometimes when you have the opportunity to do something, even if you're not really sure you want to do it, just think less and say yes.
J'enlève le frein à main.